Welcome, and today we are going to be doing video part 1 to there's a big cat in my pool area. I don't know what it's doing here, and I thought it was dead. Because, there was a mean cat back then. A mean cat whenever I was a baby, and then it hurt my great grandfather, and then it ran away, and then Mom shot it before it even can reach its final destination, and now it's here after it was dead. And make sure to give us a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell ding so you don't miss upcoming videos like this one. And follow me on Facebook. Thanks for watching.